another topic that I want to insert will be, suppose, currency. So I'll write currency. But the thing is, like, capital is now a topic for me, and in the same way I want to have currency as my topic. So what do I do here? Okay, so what I can do is, I want to insert a table, and I can distribute capital and currency in one table so that it doesn't take any space. So I'll go here, I'll go to this table option, if you can see. So capital and currency can be 2 rows and 2 columns. So I'll write, so here you'll see it will give, as much as you select it will keep adding table, but for me I think this is enough, and later on I can insert more, or maybe I can do capital and currency, and maybe what else can I add here? Okay, maybe for now this much is fine. Okay, so I'll take this, I have, and also I need to now insert. So if you want to delete this, you can. So as you see, now this entire square box is selected. And how do you know that? Because you see all the dots and this 4 square thing. So I can go here and I can press delete. Okay, so my text is now deleted. I don't want this text box entirely, so I can again press another delete. Okay, so now it's gone. Maybe I don't even want this for the capital, so I'll just select this, touch this, do a delete, and then this box also delete. Okay, so now my screen is empty. I have my table and I can write capital in this table, currency in this table, Dublin is my capital, and the currency is euro. Okay, so if I click on the design ideas here, I'll try to see if there are any designs generated for this slide. So it says that okay, there are no designs generated for this slide, which is fine, because for every slide it cannot predict what design will suit. But because I need a table, I don't want any other designs. I want to keep it simple. I want to keep a table. Okay, so now if you had to insert another, or maybe split this cell, or make it increase the width of this cell, you can do like this. So what you have to do, you have to just hold it here, take your touchpad, move your fingers till you see on the screen where you can get this double line. If you see, that means it can now change the width of the table size. After you see this, then you can go to your touchpad and long press your left side. That means this is now selected, and you can do like this. So you see this black dotted line. Okay, so this is the way to have your table. One more thing that can be done is, I can go and I can change the color of this. So I need to select my capital, and once you double click or select the capital, you can change the font color of this. So you go here, you will see lots of options. Because this is already a teal color background, I would like to have something like some different color, maybe a light color. So how about this? And if I want, I can change my currency to something different, like this maybe. Okay, so this is the basics of using PowerPoint presentation. Moving on, if I want to create another slide, what do? I'll go here to the new slide, and I want to say cities which are must visit, and I want to create a list. So first I'll write Dublin City, Cork, Galway, Donegal, Limerick. These are top 5 must visit cities of Ireland. But now I want to beautify it. I'll just try and see if there are any design ideas for this. Let's see what it generates. So if you see, this gave me a better or a much interactive slide for the cities which must visit. And if you see, so this looks much better, way better, and this looks so good on the slide screen. So you just need to write the content, and the designs can be created by the PowerPoint presentation itself. Or even this symbol looks so good because this is the map symbol. So personally, I would like to go with my this idea because this looks very bright to me and this looks good. And I'll leave the font size and of the content or of the text which is added in the PPT as it is. I'll go to a new slide and I want to write food because everybody likes food and drinks to whenever they want to visit a new country. So for my from my perspective, I feel fish and chips, curry, rice, intercontinental cuisines, Guinness, Jameson. So for me, this is food and this is drinks. What I can do is I can think of some things like, okay, what can be for food and drinks? So what it is doing is it is just reading your text, food and drinks, and look at the symbols that it has added already. So if you don't want to go with it, you have other options as well. So this looks pretty good to me, and even this is there. So if you keep scrolling down, so you have different symbols for food and for drinks. So this is how you can get creative with with PowerPoint, and you can keep adding pictures according to the content that you wish to add. Even if you don't like the image, what you can do